Want to ogle some vintage stuff with me? I love vintage stuff. Mostly because, like, it's better. I know, it's subjective, whatever. I have this old vintage machine that I got a few years ago that I have been using as my primary machine, but it really doesn't have much function besides just a straight stitch, unless a buttonhole maker for this machine. It's like a little attachment. Cool, huh? Comes in this little cute case. I'll take out all the pieces so you can see. I bought it a while ago, but hadn't taken it out. I was a little intimidated at like figuring it out, and I don't know, there's always this false sense of urgency that I make up. Does everyone else do that? Is that social media or like the world? Where I'm just like, oh, I have to make these buttonholes right now. I couldn't possibly take the time to figure out my new buttonhole maker. Until today. It works great. First try. Awesome. Wonderful. 10 out of 10. So glad I got it. So glad I took it out of its box and figured out how to use it, because it's not complicated and it works really well. I love how old-timey instructions can sound. Principal parts and their function. The adjusting knob locates cloth clamp. What the hell does that mean? I feel like these instructions are explaining like every detail. It's pointing to the cover screw here. And these days, you don't want instructions for your iPhone. You just want to turn it on and have it be seamless. Additional templates can be obtained. Oh, I don't know if I can obtain them anymore. Make a sample test strip. Oh, that's a good idea. I love that. Nifty tip, make a little test strip of all the buttonhole sizes, so then you can just take your button and slide through whatever one. Keep sample in your buttonhole attachment box. Wow, you're really spilling it out for me. Holy smokes, that looks great.